How to get a possum out of my garage. Possums are small to mid-sized, and they usually are brown or gray. These marsupials are nocturnal. Your garage may attract a possum if it is searching for shelter. If it finds a constant food source inside, it may be difficult to get the animal to leave. Possums aren't picky eaters. They eat fruit, veggies, nuts and garden produce. They also dine on dog food, cat food and garbage when they find it. Even if you keep your garage doors closed, possums still can get in. They go through holes, loose window screens, down chimneys and into drain pipes. Things you'll need: large cage trap, tuna, peanut butter, dog food or cat food, blanket. Contact the Humane Society or your state game commission to find out the local laws regarding the lawful method of releasing possums into the wild. You may need to obtain a permit to trap a possum. Set up the cage trap on the garage floor in an open location where the possum easily can find it. Remove all other food sources from the area. Bait the trap. Tuna, peanut butter, dog food or cat food work well. Make a path with the bait that leads from the back of the trap ahead of the panel trigger to a couple feet out in front of the trap. Set the trap per the manufacturer's instructions. Humane traps basically have an open door in the front. When the possum follows the bait and walks far enough in, the animal steps on a panel located on the trap floor. The panel raises and triggers the door to close. Test the trap a few times to make sure it properly works. Turn off the garage lights and close the doors. Stay out of the garage except to check the trap. Go back and check the trap often, especially if the temperature outside is extremely hot or cold. It is not humane to leave the possum trapped for long, especially if it's a nursing mother. Toss an old blanket over the trap once the possum is caught. Immediately take the animal to a proper location per local laws. Carefully open the trap and stand back, allowing for the possum to exit the trap. Tips: warnings. The trap should measure at least 10 by 12 by 32 inches. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions and warnings for the trap you use. Never leave children or pets unattended near the trapped possum. Like all wild animals, a possum may become aggressive when it's trapped. It has sharp teeth and claws as its defense. Use extreme care when handling the trap.